My name is Jassie-Sarkodie. I have a private architectural consultancy called Izmatrix, based in Tema here. And basically what we do is architectural consultancy work. The overall project started with getting the basic information from the client as to what he wants, the square meter area. We did a schematic project for him, did an animation for him to show him the colors, and we picked it up from there. We realized that what we put on paper in the office and the animation that we gave him is basically what he's having on site now. It wasn't very easy convincing the client that this is what a new thing that we are giving you. We had to make a trip to Belgium to convince him that I trust the company. Good enough, when we went there, we saw a series of assemblies that they've done already. And initially we were expecting that they would give us somebody from Belgium to come here and help us do A, B, C, and D. We didn't have to do that. The assembly went very well. I took pictures of how the guy was reading everything on paper, right on site, and making sure that both A goes here, both B goes there. The assembly went really, really well. I selected FRISOMAT because I looked at their materials, I read around it, I saw the fact that we can have a material that can last, being that we are at a harbor city and the sea is right next door. We have a material that is going to be lasting and also a warranty for a full 50 years. I won't be here at that time, but I can rest assured that my material is still working. This is an extraordinary piece of work. People should be going for the FRISOMAT material. I've already contacted them for other projects that I'm having in Takoradi and an upcoming one in Abosso. So I would recommend FRISOMAT for all my future projects. No two ways about that. If I have to briefly describe this project, I would say it's been an excellent piece, it's durable, and something that will last forever.